get to know me a little bit. Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. For the one who don't know me, I am Tehani and I'm taking my first language is French. I created Manahine NZ, which is my Taishan dance account. A lot of you think that Manahine is my name, but it's not. In Taishan, Mana means power and Hine means the woman. And Taishan language is a very simple language, and you can kind of choose the sentence as you want, the meaning. For me personally, so I've danced all my life, I would say, since I was very young, because that's, part of our culture in Tahiti. Not everyone knows how to dance, just, make it clear. But my mom enrolled me when I was 4 years old to a Taishan dance school, which I didn't last long because I was very shy and the teacher was mean to me. I mean, I think she wasn't mean, but at that age, I thought she was mean trying to teach me, so I didn't go after a few months, if not few weeks. But then I continued dancing through schools and community event. Everything we do in Tahiti, we celebrate with music and dance. So, I had the opportunity to dance. I also had the opportunity to dance at the Heiva in Tahiti, if you know, once, and it was an amazing experience that I loved. And if one day I could do it again, I would. And then I was often dancing at home as well by myself, because that was my workout. That's a good cardio exercise, so I love to do it with myself or my cousin. I went to Taishan dance school just before I left Tahiti for a few months, just to get back into it. Then I left Tahiti. Coming to New Zealand after a few years, I was kind of craving dancing, so I went back to dancing by myself. But when I left Tahiti, I had 2 children. Then I got pregnant 3 more times. When I got back into dancing, it was after my 4th baby, and I realized that dancing helped me to love my new mom body. So it was for me a power, because love is a power, isn't it? And hine, because I'm a woman. And when I was thinking of sharing Taishan dance, I was thinking of helping other women to realize how beautiful they are and realize their worth. And I think that through dancing, that's kind of what happened when you dance, I feel. Especially Taishan dance, which is a very feminine dance. So yeah, long story short, that's why it's Manahine, but Manahine is not my first name. My first name is Tehani. I just thought I will share a bit more about me on this platform as well, because you're more and more to follow me here, and I really just wanted to say thank you for that. I am in my 30s. I am 32 years old, and I don't feel like it. I feel like 17 still, or maybe 22, 23. I'm a mom of 5, and I am a homeschooling mom here in New Zealand. And yeah, I'm pretty busy, but I love it. And creating content is kind of my me time, where I remember, I'm not just a mom, I am also a person with things that I love to do, and that's part of it. This video is already long enough, but if you have any question about Taishan dance or self-love or anything, just ask. I'm really happy to answer questions, and thank you for all your kind comments. I do receive mean comments now and then, but mostly you guys are very kind in the comments, so thank you so much.